Module 3. Strategic Decision-Making Frameworks and Models. Module Overview. Module 3 delves into the heart of strategic leadership by exploring decision-making frameworks and models that allow leaders to systematically evaluate options and make informed choices. Strategic decisions often involve high stakes, uncertainty, and complex interdependencies across multiple organizational functions. This module emphasizes that effective decision-making is not random or intuitive alone. It is grounded in analytical rigor, structured approaches, and scenario-based evaluation. You will learn to combine data-driven insights, foresight, and ethical judgment to create decisions that enhance organizational performance, resilience, and long-term sustainability. 1. The nature of strategic decisions. Defining strategic decisions and differentiating them from tactical and operational decisions. Characteristics of strategic decisions: high impact, long-term orientation, uncertainty, and complexity. Common challenges in strategic decision-making: ambiguity, incomplete information, conflicting interests, and cognitive biases. Linking strategic decisions to organizational goals, mission, and vision. 2. Decision-making models and frameworks. Rational decision-making model, step-by-step process, including problem definition, alternatives generation, evaluation, selection, and implementation. Bounded rationality model. Recognizing human cognitive limitations and satisficing rather than optimizing. Intuitive decision-making model. Leveraging experience, expertise, and instinct in complex scenarios. Recognition prime decision model. Rapid decision-making under pressure based on pattern recognition. Comparative analysis of models, advantages, limitations, and situational appropriateness. 3. Structured decision-making techniques, multi-criteria, decision analysis, MCDA, evaluating options against weighted criteria, decision trees, visual representation of choices, probabilities, and outcomes. Cost-benefit analysis, quantifying risks, benefits, and trade-offs for evidence-based decisions. Sensitivity analysis, understanding how changes in assumptions affect outcomes. Risk-adjusted decision-making, incorporating probabilities, uncertainties, and contingency planning. 4. Cognitive biases and decision traps. Common biases affecting strategic decisions: anchoring, confirmation bias, overconfidence, availability bias, and escalation of commitment. Groupthink and its impact on collaborative decision-making. Strategies to mitigate biases: structured frameworks, diverse perspectives, scenario analysis, and reflective questioning. Ethical considerations in decision-making: balancing profit, sustainability, and social responsibility. 5. Stakeholder analysis and engagement, identifying internal and external stakeholders affected by strategic decisions. Assessing stakeholder influence, interest, and potential resistance. Techniques for effective stakeholder communication and engagement. Integrating stakeholder perspectives into decision evaluation and prioritization. 6. Scenario-based and contingency planning. Developing multiple scenarios to anticipate potential futures and uncertainties. Evaluating decisions across different scenarios to determine robustness. Contingency strategies for mitigating risks and adapting to change. Linking scenario planning with organizational agility and resilience. 7. Decision implementation and monitoring, translating strategic decisions into actionable plans, milestones, and KPIs. Monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of decisions, feedback loops, and continuous improvement in decision-making processes. Learning from past decisions to enhance future strategic judgment.